Okay, so we have this Schlage deadbolt lockout. Now, normally we would just try and go for the lock pick. We'd get our leashy tool out and try and pick that, but it's going to have security spool pins in there. Might not be the easiest pick. However, look at this giant gap here, okay? I can see the bolt. Now that doesn't mean that it's thrown all the way, and a lot of times it's worth it to try. Let's see if we can get this to go here. Look at that. This one is not engaged all the way, which means I don't have to pick that lock. So, had the deadbolt been engaged all the way, it would be dead. However, this one was engaged about like there, which allows me to retract it with this little tool. That usually is because that these aren't drilled out far enough, so always check that first. There's another quick way to where if you run into a situation that I would highly suggest recommending to see if that deadbolt is actually all the way dead or if it's only partially engaged, to where you can use a tool to depress the bolt back in. Here we are back to the hustle and grind. Living in Colorado, this is what it's like being a locksmith in Colorado. You gotta put in long days and put up with the weather and the snow and blizzard. Want to learn how to be a locksmith? Check out my electronic access control installation class, part 1, in the link below.